Let's start by plotting this point. You can see it here in red. When we think of other polar coordinates that would describe the same point, we are basically thinking of another set of directions that would take us to the same place. Perhaps the easiest would be to go the opposite direction for the angle, going clockwise from the positive x-axis until we wrap around to the same point. Here you can see that if we went clockwise 275 degrees, we would end up on the same line. Remember, clockwise is the negative direction for the angle theta. Therefore, the second set of polar coordinates is 5, negative 275 degrees. To get the other set of coordinates, you need to understand how to plot a negative r value. If 2 points have the same theta coordinate and their r coordinates are equal and opposite, then the points will lie directly across from each other through the origin. Look here at the point negative 5, 85 degrees. You would plot it by going to 5, 85 degrees, and then reflecting the point to the opposite side of the origin. We want to end up in quadrant 1 though, on top of the original point. So we will plot the point that is directly across from the one we want at 5, 265 degrees. And now to reflect that across the origin to the point we want in quadrant 1, we change the sign of the r coordinate. As you can see, the coordinates negative 5, 265 degrees will also take us to the point that we want. So that's the other set of polar coordinates that we could use. You can see both sets of polar coordinates written out here. And that's the answer.